Hello students, today we will start new chapter, that is chapter number 12, perimeter and area. In 4th standard you had already done perimeter and area. First we will revise what is perimeter. See the examples first. This figure is given. This is a rectangle. Rectangle ABCD. The name of the rectangle is rectangle ABCD. AB is 4 cm and BC is 5 cm. In rectangle, the length of opposite sides are equal. That means if AB is 4 cm, then DC will also 4 cm. If BC is 5 cm, then AD will also be 5 cm. So side DC will 4 and side AD will 5. Now, to find the perimeter of a rectangle, we need to add all the sides of a rectangle. That means we will add 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 4, 13, and 13 plus 5 is 18. So the answer is 18. The perimeter of rectangle ABCD is 18 centimeter. See the third example. The length of a square is given, that is 5 centimeter. We need to find out the perimeter of square. Here only one side is given. We need to find all the 4 sides. So the square, if one side is given, all the 4 sides will be equal, because square having all the 4 sides equal. If one side is 5 centimeter, then this will be 5, this will be 5, and this will also be 5. To find the perimeter, we will add all the sides. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. So the perimeter of square is 20 centimeter. Same way, we will write now perimeter of a triangle. One side is 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. We will add all the sides. 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So the answer is 18 centimeter. So the perimeter of a triangle is 18 centimeter. This is the revision of 4th standard. Now we will solve the problem set. You will solve problem set 48 in your maths notebook. Question number 1. Write the perimeter of each figure in the box given below. First picture, all the 4 sides are given. We need to find out the perimeter. So we will write the perimeter is equal to, we will write all the 4 sides length. 7 plus 14 plus 20 plus 16 is equals to 7 plus 14, 21. 21 plus 20, 41. 41 plus 16, 57. So the answer is 57 centimeter. In this box you will write 57 centimeter. You will write this explanation, this calculation also. Next question. Here total there are 6 sides. So we will write the perimeter is equals to, write all the sides measurement, 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 10, 26, 26 plus 10, 36, 36 plus 6, 42, and 42 plus 6 is 48 centimeter. So the answer is 48 centimeter. Third one, the perimeter is equals to, write all the sides measurement, 8 plus 8 plus 18 plus 18 plus 12 is equals to 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 18, 34, 34 plus 18, 52, 52 plus 12, 64. So the answer is 64 meters, because in the question the units are given in meters. So we will write here 64 meters. Question number 2. If a square of side 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner of a larger square with side 3 centimeter, what will be the perimeter of the remaining shape? Here the side of a square is given. This is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. From this square we had cut the one small square that is of 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. Now 3 minus 1, then the answer is 2. So this remaining side is 2 centimeter, this side is 2 centimeter. This will be 3 and this will be 3. Now we need to find the perimeter of this figure. So to finding a perimeter we need to add all the given sides. So we will write here the perimeter is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, and 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. So the answer is 12 centimeter. You will write this question, draw this both the figures, write all the measurements and write this calculation also. Now we will solve how to find perimeter with the help of the formula. In 5th standard, when you will find out perimeter, you need to use the formula. So this is the formula for perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiply by breadth. 2, that is rectangle having 2 lengths, and 2 breadth, again rectangle having 2 breadths. So we will multiply 2 by length plus 2 by breadth. This formula you need to by heart. The next formula is perimeter of square. The perimeter of a square is equals to 4 multiplied by the length of one side. 4, because a square is having 4 equal sides. So we will multiply 4 and the length of any one side. Why any one side? Because all the 4 lengths will be of same length, will be equal. Now we will solve the next problem set. You will listen carefully and then you will write. Problem set number 49. Question number 1. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 cm long and 4 cm wide? Here first we will draw a rectangle, because in question rectangle is given, so we need to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. So first we will here draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle. The length of a rectangle is 7 cm and the breadth of a rectangle is 4 cm. If this side is 7 cm, this side will also be 7 cm, because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. If this is 4 cm, this will be 4 cm. So you will draw this figure, then you will write the formula. The formula is the perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by length L plus 2 multiplied by breadth. So we will write B. We will write here 2 multiplied by the length is 7 cm. So we will write 7 plus 2 multiplied by the breadth is 4 cm. So we will write here 4. Now 2 multiplied by 7, the answer is 2 7s are 14 plus 2 4s are 8. Now we will add 14 and 8. 14 plus 8 is equals to 22 centimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 22 centimeter. Question number 2. If the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and its width is 12 centimeter, what is its perimeter? Again here the rectangle is given, so we will need to find the perimeter of a rectangle. First we will draw a rectangle. The length of rectangle is 20 meter and the breadth is 12 meter. If this is 20 meter, this will be also 20 meter, and if this is 12 meter, this will be also 12 meter. Now we will write the formula of the perimeter of rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. 2 multiplied by the length is 20 meters plus 2 multiplied by the breadth is 12 meters. 20 multiplied by 2, 20 2s are 40 plus 12 2s are 24. 40 plus 24, the answer is 64 meters. So the perimeter of rectangle is 64 meters. Question number 3. Each side of a square is 9 meters long. Find its perimeter. Here square is given. So we will first draw a square and the side of square is 9 meters. In square all the 4 sides are equal. So if this is 9 meters, this will be also 9, 9 and 9. Now we will find the perimeter of a square. We will write the formula. The perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiplied by length of one side. 4 multiplied by the length of one side is 9 meters. 9 4s are 36 meters. Therefore the perimeter of a square is 36 meters. Solve this exercise problem set in your maths notebook. The next questions we will be do in the next video.